Welcome to Wonderful Home Design. In this video, we show special collection of unique coffee table made from wood and glass for living room. A unique coffee table can serve as the centerpiece of your living room, effortlessly blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Imagine a handcrafted wooden table featuring intricate carvings or a modern glass-topped piece with geometric legs that commands attention. Such tables are not just surfaces to hold drinks and books, they can mirror your personal style and create a welcoming atmosphere. For instance, a vintage trunk repurposed as a coffee table adds character and storage, while a sculptural design can spark conversations among guests. By choosing a distinctive coffee table, you enhance the overall decor of your space, making it feel curated and lived in. Ultimately, this versatile furniture piece reflects your taste and offers a perfect spot for family gatherings, game nights, or casual lounging, elevating the heart of your home. A coffee table serves as a versatile centerpiece in living rooms, combining functionality with style. Typically low in height and often crafted from materials like wood, glass, or metal, it provides a convenient surface for placing drinks, snacks, books, or decor items. Beyond its practical uses, the coffee table can enhance the room's aesthetic, reflecting personal taste through its design and finish. It invites social interaction, creating a focal point for gatherings where friends and family can engage comfortably. Whether adorned with decorative items or left uncluttered, a coffee table is an essential element that balances both form and function in any living space. A modern side table serves as both a functional and stylish addition to contemporary interiors, offering versatility and elegance. Characterized by sleek lines, minimalist designs, and innovative materials, modern side tables can effortlessly complement various decor styles. They come in an array of shapes, from geometric forms to organic curves, allowing for creative placement beside sofas or beds. Many modern side tables feature materials like tempered glass, metal, and sustainable woods, creating a striking visual appeal while ensuring durability. Some designs incorporate multifunctional features, such as built-in storage or adjustable heights, catering to the demands of today's dynamic living spaces. Ultimately, a modern side table is not merely a surface for holding lamps and drinks, but a statement piece that enhances the overall aesthetic, blending practicality with chic design in any room. In addition to its aesthetic appeal and practicality, the coffee table can serve as a canvas for personal expression and creativity. Depending on its style, it can be the perfect platform for showcasing unique decor, such as artisanal coasters, vibrant books, or eye-catching centerpieces that reflect the homeowner's personality. Many people use their coffee tables to create inviting atmospheres, layering textures with soft textiles like table runners or decorative trays. Furthermore, some coffee tables incorporate storage solutions, featuring drawers or shelves to keep remote controls, magazines, or board games neatly organized, helping to maintain a tidy living space. Ultimately, the coffee table is not just a piece of furniture, but a dynamic space that embodies both functionality and individuality in the heart of the home. Incorporating an epoxy resin table into the living room can dramatically enhance the space's aesthetic and functionality, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere. These tables can serve as coffee tables, side tables, or even statement dining tables, drawing attention with their unique designs and captivating color contrasts. The reflective surface of the epoxy resin can complement various decor styles, from contemporary to industrial, while the natural wood elements add warmth and organic charm. Placing an epoxy resin table in the living room encourages a cozy gathering space for friends and family, making it ideal for casual conversations, game nights, or enjoying a cup of coffee. Additionally, their durability and ease of maintenance make them practical choices for high-traffic areas, effortlessly blending beauty with utility.